how to fix Instagram DM not opening problem. Okay, let's see and solve it. At first, go to your phone settings, scroll down little bit, click on apps, scroll down little bit, click on search icon, search for Instagram, click here Instagram, scroll down little bit, click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, go back, click on force stop, click on OK, scroll up little bit, click on permissions. Now all permission is enabled. Go back to home screen, go to Play Store, click on search option, search for Instagram, click here Instagram. Instagram is the update, click here, just wait. Now restart your device and open your Instagram app, click on message option, and that's it. By doing this process, you can easily solve this problem. Thank you.